What's up, my LS crazed amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking in the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Yeah, we're getting it in with this Trailblazer. We're trying to start this thing up real soon. Y'all know what's going on with this Trailblazer SS, and it would be blaspheming if I was to go and put the regular exhaust manifolds back on this truck and just run the exhaust the way it was. I can't do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna step on over, and got some stuff on the bench which I want to let you see. Come on, let's do it. Come on. Like I said, you know, we're doing a lot of stuff on this Trailblazer SS. We got the cam, we got heads, just name a few, and an LSA supercharger. So there's no way I'm gonna put this back on. Nope, ain't gonna do it. Because, you know, with all these components that I'm putting on there, you know, you want the truck to breathe a lot better. I gave a call to my boys at American Racing, and they hooked the brother up with the headers, which are on the truck, and you got your cats right here, and all the pipes that you need to hook it up. I wanted to have cats on the car because it's an everyday vehicle, and you know, it's not a race truck, but even though it's going to be a very fast truck, one thing I should mention, when you're putting headers on this vehicle, Trailblazer SS, the engine compartment is very, very tight. If I put the heads on and try to put the headers in afterwards, I would have some maneuverability issues. So what I did was I put the headers and I tied them to the inner side of the engine compartment. Then I put the heads on, tighten those down, torque them down, and then the headers are right there. And I'm glad I did, because the space that you would have to either try to squeeze them up through or either squeeze them down through to get them in, you would have a Jonah of a time. And I don't even know if it's possible. You may have to raise the engine, lift it, put it, I don't know. But that was the way I overcame that little problem that I saw would be a problem. Now with the Trailblazer SS, if you're in the know, these Trailblazers had a single exhaust exit. So there's only one pipe sticking out, and I hated it. I couldn't stand it. Even before I got the truck registered, I changed the exhaust system. Now there's only a couple of companies out that make a dual exhaust system where it has two pipes exiting out the back. I went with SLP, and I'm glad I did. So what I'm going to try to make work, American Racing, from the headers to the front of the resonator, somehow hook them up with SLP, resonator back. Wish me luck, I hope it works. Because if it does work, this truck will be sounding fierce. So let's look and see what we got to do. All right, got it all set up. Now these are the headers, and they come with the bung for the O2 sensors. This is the driver's side, see it? And on the Trailblazer SS, there are 4 O2 sensors, and this setup has it. Here goes that cross pipe that comes across like a Y pipe, meets it, comes through. All right, and this is what I was concerned about, but seems to work itself out. So now this is all American Racing from here up, and this is SLP from this point back. When I first bought the truck, I put this exhaust system on, and I thought I was gonna have a problem making it up, but as you can see, made up nicely. Two great products put together. So there you have it. Woo! That was a chore. Man, so what we did was we made it American Racing header setup to the SLP resonator back setup. So like I said, I can't wait to start this thing up because I think it's going to sound all kinds of fierce. All right. Wow. Woo. But I tell you what, I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you guys. So dirty. I want to thank you guys because you guys have been with me on this Trailblazer project and other projects, and I really appreciate it. So keep those questions and the comments coming, and hit the likes. And remember, you gotta subscribe, because when you subscribe and you hit that little bell, that'll let you know when Coverman66 is putting more videos out. And I got tons of videos coming out after this project. I got another project, and then I got another project, I got another project. So you want to stay tuned. So I just want to say thanks again. All right, but I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Or should I say ceiling? And it's time for me to head on off, take care of some more stuff on this truck. Maybe, I don't know, clean up a little because I'm filthy. But anyways, as always, please, be easy. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Take care.